My dear students, in this video we shall be studying about amines part 3rd, its basic character and relative basic strengths of amines in gaseous phase, comparison of basic strength of methyl substituted amines in aqueous medium, and relative basic strength of methylamine, aniline, ammonia, and effect of electron withdrawing and electron donating groups. Let's begin with basic character of amines. Amines, being basic in nature, react with acid to form salts. So let us consider primary amine RNH2 is reacted with hydrogen halide to form alkyl ammonium halide, which is a salt where R is an alkyl group. If we consider aromatic amines, example aniline is reacted with hydrochloric acid to form anilinium chloride, which is again a salt. In both the reactions, we can observe that amines are reacting with acids to form salt. Let us consider basic strength of amines. Ammonia and its derivatives are Lewis bases due to the presence of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen, which can be very easily donated. Amines also accept protons from water molecule and hence act as a Bronsted-Lowry basis. So let us consider one reaction when primary amine RNH2 is reacted with water. It forms RNH3 plus and hydroxyl anion. Applying law of mass action, by applying law of mass action, dissociation constant of a base Kb is equal to product of molar concentration of RNH3 plus and molar concentration of OH minus by molar concentration of RNH2, where Kb is dissociation constant of a base and pKb is equal to negative log of Kb. Higher the value of dissociation constant of a base, stronger is the base, and higher the value of pKb, weaker is the base. Let's continue with comparison of basic strength of methyl substituted amines in the gaseous phase. As the number of alkyl group increases, positive inductive effect also increases. Therefore, electron density on nitrogen atom of amines increases. The basic nature of methyl amines should increase with increase in the number of methyl groups. In gaseous phase, order of basicity is tertiary amines are more basic compared to secondary amine, whereas secondary amines are more basic compared to primary amine, and primary amines are more basic compared to ammonia. That is, if we consider one example, trimethyl amine is more basic compared to dimethyl amine, which is again more basic compared to methyl amine, and which is more basic compared to ammonia molecule. Now let us consider relative basic strength of alkyl substituted amines in aqueous medium. Besides the inductive effect, effects like solvation effect, steric hindrance affect the basic strength of amines. Hydration effects and strength of bases. In the aqueous phase, the substituted ammonium cations get stabilized by electron releasing effect of the alkyl group, that is positive inductive effect, and by solvation with water molecules. The greater the size of the ion, lesser will be the solvation, and hence the less stabilized is the ion. Thus, more the stability of the ion, more is the basic strength of amines. The order of stability of ions is as follows. Primary amine is more basic compared to that of secondary amine, and when compared to that of tertiary amine. So the order of stability is maximum for primary amine and it is very less in case of tertiary amine. So from this structure, it is clearly visible that primary amine, all the three hydrogen would be forming hydrogen bonding with the water molecule. Why? Because it is aqueous phase. In case of secondary amine, only the two hydrogen atoms are forming hydrogen bonding with the water, whereas in tertiary amines, only one hydrogen which is forming hydrogen bonding with the oxygen of water molecule. Therefore, the order of basicity of aliphatic amines should be: primary amine is more basic compared to secondary amine, and secondary amine is more basic compared to tertiary amines. So let's study about the steric effect. Bigger the alkyl group, more is the steric hindrance to the formation of hydrogen bond between the amine and the proton. For example, steric hindrance is more for ethyl group compared to that of methyl group. In ethyl group, students, we are having C2CH3, whereas in case of methyl, only one CH3 group is there. So steric hindrance would be maximum in case of ethyl when compared to that of methyl. Therefore, inductive effect, solvation effect and steric hindrance of the alkyl group would be deciding the relative basic strengths of alkyl amines in its aqueous state. The order of basic strength in case of methyl substituted amines in aqueous solution is as follows. Dimethyl amine is more basic compared to methyl amine. Methyl amine is more basic compared to trimethyl amine. Trimethyl amine is more basic compared to ammonia. Similarly, basic strength of ethyl substituted amines in aqueous medium is diethylamine is more basic compared to triethylamine, which is again more basic compared to ethylamine, and ethylamine is more basic compared to ammonia molecule. Let's study about comparison of basic strength of ammonia, methenamine and aniline in the aqueous medium. Ammonia and ammonia derivatives are Lewis bases, and the reason behind it is the presence of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen which can be donated. For example, methylamine, ammonia and aniline, in all the three examples we can find that nitrogen is having lone pair of electrons or else non-bonding electrons. So let's discuss about relative basic strengths of ammonia and methenamine first. Methenamine is more basic than ammonia. So the reason behind it is the electron releasing or positive inductive effect of methyl group. In case of methenamine, methyl group which is attached to nitrogen of amine would be donating the electron by positive inductive effect, but in ammonia no such effect is observed. Let's discuss about relative basic strengths of aniline, methenamine and ammonia. Aniline is a less basic than ammonia and methenamine. So methenamine is an aliphatic amines, and the reason behind this is the resonating structure of aniline molecule. In aniline, the lone pair of electrons of nitrogen is involved in resonance with a benzene ring, which would be shown as follows. The first structure shows that lone pair of electron from the nitrogen is given towards the benzene ring for the formation of nitrogen carbon double bond. At the same time, the first double bond from the benzene ring is delocalized on the adjacent carbon atom. So we get second structure, and the delocalization of the pi electrons results in the formation of structure third and structure fourth, and finally the pi electrons from the carbon and the nitrogen would be given back towards the nitrogen, reducing its positive charge. In aliphatic amines, nitrogen atoms lone pair of electron is localized, whereas in aniline, nitrogen atoms lone pair of electron is delocalized into the benzene ring. Therefore, electron donating tendency is less as compared to ammonia and aliphatic amines in case of aniline. Important note: in case of substituted aniline, electron releasing groups such as methoxy, methyl increases the basic strength of aniline, whereas electron withdrawing groups like nitro, sulfite, carboxylic acid and halide decreases the basic strength of aniline. Thank you students. Rest of the part we shall continue in the next video.